I'm Mark McKenzie with NSS Enterprises, and today we're going to look at our eForce scrubber. The eForce scrubber comes in two sizes. One model has a 26-inch scrub deck and the other model has a 32-inch scrub deck. Both models hold 25 gallons of cleaning solution. The eForce scrubber features our patented joystick control system. The joystick lets you work in a natural position without needing to stand, turn a steering wheel, or press a pedal. Another great feature is the squeegee. The eForce scrubber squeegee is mounted right behind the scrub deck. The squeegee swings behind the machine in tight turns, leaving the floor dry. As part of our sustainability program, the eForce scrubber also features a mode to help you save important resources. The conservation mode runs the machine at the lowest power and water settings. That way, you use less water, less energy, and make less noise when you clean. In conservation mode, the eForce scrubber runs at only 62 decibels. Another feature of the eForce scrubber is the max power mode. With a single button press, the machine will scrub faster, press harder, and increase solution flow for 30 seconds. This mode is perfect when you have especially dirty areas. After 30 seconds, the machine switches back to its previous settings. To help you train your staff, the eForce scrubber has an onboard operation manual. Also, training is simplified by the easy-to-understand icons used on the eForce scrubber's control panel. The eForce scrubber also has a Supervisor Mode, which allows you to control which settings are available to the machine operator. Additionally, the scrubber opens wide to allow easy access to clean out the hygienic recovery tank and the debris filter, and to maintain the batteries. Finally, the eForce scrubber is built tough for everyday use. The heavy-duty steel frame and stainless steel hardware make the eForce scrubber a valuable asset you can rely on year after year. So those are some of the highlights that make the eForce scrubber a great option for your cleaning program. I'm Mark McKenzie. Thanks for watching.